morning. Okay. We gotta do some laundry.
Tested high of 83 and a low of 60.
Are you making a coffee? Everyone calls it smells so good. Come here. Here you go.
Center this pink goes in here.
Thank you. We're gonna go right now. Good morning. I'm gonna make my coffee, breakfast, and then go on a morning walk before we go to a Pilates class that I'm gonna take Easton to. So let's change. The set is so cute and it's from Amazon. I have it linked if you need it. Easton will wanna go with me, but we can try. He needs to go in the stroller. Easton, that's his Crocs. Come here. I'm sure you'll get ready to go. And Penny done tagged along. One of the prettiest mornings ever. We gotta come inside. ¿Sale por allá? Are you sure? Time to make a coffee in my new coffee maker. I'm so excited. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we take this out. Thank you for that. Oh. I'm just gonna add some milk and a little bit of salt, sugar-free vanilla syrup, naughty cup.
Yeah, you got that right.
Smidge more milk. Little taste test. It's so good. So smooth. I have toast, 2 eggs with cheese, and some coffee. And then we're gonna go to our little workout. Gym with mommy. Let's go into the gym. Taking that hydrate. Bring it right back up. Out. In. Less than 10. We're gonna burn out with those push-ups while that leg is floating in the air in 5. Stay right here at that rhythm. Keeping that breath right. Such a good class. Thank you. Go home. Okay, let's head home.